Hello, welcome to Mr. C's Biology. Today we are talking all about the lungs. So here we have what the lungs look like a little bit inside your body. I've not drawn it all because it would take quite a long time, but we have one section that I followed all the way down, and this will be the same at the end of these sections as well. So we start off with the trachea at the top, and that is the main windpipe where the air is going to come in, and it splits into two bronchi. We have one bronchus going this way and one bronchus going this way. And then there's one bronchus then splits again into little bronchioles. And at the end of each bronchiole, there are alveoli, little air sacs that give a really large surface area so that lots and lots of oxygen can transfer from the air into blood. And they've got blood vessels all the way around them, little capillaries that are going to take the blood and get some oxygen and move it on back to the body. Protecting our lungs, we have some ribs that sit on top of the lungs, and then in between these ribs there are little muscles. Now what they're going to do is they're going to help protect the lungs by meaning that if you poke in between one of your ribs you can't get through and touch the lung. But also what they do is they're the ones that lift the ribs up and down to help you breathe in and out, and they're called intercostal muscles. Inter means between. If you think of an international competition, it's between different countries. Costal just means ribs, and so they're the between rib muscles. Finally, we have another muscle that's going to help us breathe in and out, and that's the diaphragm. That sits at the bottom. It's a large muscle, and what that does is it pulls down, contracts down to help us breathe in, and then relaxes back into this kind of dome shape when we're breathing out, and that's called the diaphragm. That's the main anatomy of the lungs. We'll come back in a moment to talk about the ventilation. Any questions? Pop them in the comments below.